If you're one of the people that find it difficult to type into a document, then let me show you a tool that's been around in Microsoft for a little while. You'll probably use it most in Word, and it's Dictation. Hi, I'm Michelle, here to help you get more out of Microsoft 365 without the stress, one tip at a time. We've started using Dictation a lot more, and it's about 1,000 times better than it used to be. But please remember, it's still not perfect. Here I am in Word, so it's a brand new blank Word document. And on the Home tab, at the far end of the ribbon, it says Dictate. Depending on your environment, you might find that it's a lot easier with a headset, like I've got a headset with a microphone. They can pick up what I'm saying a lot better. Now, that's not to say that it's going to pick up everything correctly, so bear that in mind. To use it, it is as easy as being in the right place. So if you need the text added in a very specific area of the document, make sure that that insertion point is in the right place. As a new document, it's just the top. And I'm just going to click on the picture of the microphone. The text and the arrow below it actually gives me two options. But as I want to dictate, let's just choose that. It's now switched on and it's picking up everything that I'm saying. When it comes to dictation within Microsoft, you'll find that it actually works reasonably well and should pick most things up. You'll see if you're watching it, which possibly might not be the best option, that it will make suggestions, what it thinks it does, and after you finish speaking, it will actually update itself to hopefully be what you had said. I should be able to say full stop, new line, to actually give it some commands to help me write better. Now, I will admit that dictation is a skill set in itself because you might be just used to talking, and if you do normally type, you probably will just start hitting full stop, capital letter, and all of that as normal. However, when you're dictating, you need to be aware of what you're saying and to make sure that you're giving it the right commands. New line does exactly what it says. New paragraph gives you more space. And now that I've finished, I've switched off, I clicked on the little microphone on the toolbar to stop it, and you can see it's kind of odd, but there was definitely one big error that you may have noticed. So it's good, and if you find talking and thinking about things is a lot easier for you, then this could be a better solution. If you don't enjoy typing or if you have problems typing, dictation can be a good option for you. However, please bear in mind you need to go back and edit everything. This is something that I found difficult for me personally because I can just let loose a stream of consciousness and then I don't always remember exactly what I meant when I go back and read it. So my recommendations based on my experience is basically finish speaking, go back and check it and make those changes. I don't recommend leaving it. However, if you're into better editing, then I would just go through and check for spelling, grammar, full stops, other punctuation that you might need to do, but don't worry too much about the content. It's better to leave it, go and do something else, and come back to actually read what you've dictated rather than if you check it immediately. My experience has been I tended to read what I thought I said or what I meant to say rather than what I actually said. I've been doing this in Desktop Word. You might be wondering, can you do this in Word on the web? And I thought you might ask that. So the answer is yes. Here I am in Word on the web. and you can see I've again got the exact same button under Home. Just going to click Dictate, allow it, and you can see here in Word on the Web, it's switching on and off really quickly. You can see that it works just as well here in Word on the Web as it does on the full desktop. Not only that, but it actually works in exactly the same way. Over to you now. Give it a go, try it out, see if it helps you be a bit more productive or just helps out generally. Give the video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe and click that notification bell to be told when more videos just like this one are released.